Say hi. Elliot, say hi. Say ooh. Ooh. Can you say ah? Tickle your cheek. Tickle your cheek. Tickle your cheek. Ticky 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 tick. Ticky ticky tick. Ticky ticky tick. Say hi, Marnie. Hi, Poppy. Hi, Addie. Hi, Bee. We just changed a very, very poopy diaper. He's gonna do his frowning face here in a second. Maybe not. Another yawn. Elliot's tired. Is it time for a nap? Yeah? Okay. All right. Time to lay down. Say goodbye.